Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Dogecoin video update for Sunday 14th of August. And I'm looking at Doge right now. SHIB and Doge, they're actually moving side by side at the moment, and it seems like Doge has already finally made this breakout, and I'm going to talk about the breakout here. So the next technical target for Dogecoin that we're looking for on a 4-hour time frame pattern right now is from the top to the bottom here, and I don't think you've met the target just yet, but you're looking for a technical target of 8547, and that's pretty much accurate. Now let's dive into the daily. Let's talk about the EMAs right now. So on the daily time frame, we do have a bull cross right now that is already happening for Dogecoin. Okay, so that bull cross is pretty very clear bull cross right now, and I do think Bitcoin in the next coming few days is going to move huge, potentially move really high. Now we do have this pattern that you just broke out of, and I'm going to tell you the next technical target out of that pattern. So you had that sideways movement, broke it out there, you came in for the retest down here. So the technical target that I do see for Dogecoin actually goes from there to there, and we're looking for Dogecoin to basically come up to the 0.10. Okay, so if you want me to continue to do these updates, I do hope if this video gets 50 likes, I'm going to release the second regular updates for Dogecoin as well, as we're making the moves at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals, and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.